Right, first make sure that your power is shut off at the breaker or the breaker is removed. Connect the incoming power wire to the black wire from the fixture using a UL approved wire connector that's not supplied. Then connect the incoming neutral wire, the white wire, from the fixture, again using the same UL type wire connector that's not included. Finally, attach the green ground wire from the fixture to the incoming ground wire from the source. Gently tuck all the wires back into the pole and slide the post fitter over the top. Once the fitter is snug, finger tighten the 3 set screws on the outer diameter of the inside of the fitter, and then snug using a hand driver, Phillips in this case. Install your bolt into the socket until it's snug. As always, do not over tighten. Gently slide the globe over the top of the fixture. Insert one of the clamps under the lip of the globe. Bring it to the base. The other will pop into place. Seat it firmly. Tighten from below using a handheld screwdriver or Phillips. Do not use a power driver, as it will strip out the plastic clamp. Frequently asked question on Incon 810 through 822 series is, where is the ballast located? It is located inside the white adapter. It's mounted on the pole. It does not hang inside the pole as some people think.